Johnson Land Surveying. Do you want to be mediocre? Do you want to be 2-star? Or do you want to be efficient and accurate? Just playing. But there is one thing that I think can save a little time here when you're rotating text to a line. I'm dropping in here. I want this on this line. So you what normally do? Rotate. Click, click, bam, and then get it right there. And then you think, that's pretty good. Okay. Or no, slightly off. Oh, let me get a little bit. Let me get a little tweaky there. Anyway, or you can use the Tory command, the text orient command, orient to line. So I click that there, bam. I'm gonna go T-O-R-I, T-orient, torient. Right click, left click, right click, and now you're gonna tell what line you want it to associate to. Bam, bam. Oh, that's so nice. It's more efficient and accurate. Except for not if you have to type out torient each time you want to do it. So you got to go up to here to express tools and then command aliases. Some of y'all know how to do this already. And then you're going to go add. And then you're going to wait for the thingy. And then you're going to do whatever command keyboard shortcut you want. Mine is that W1. I don't know why. It's just easy on the fingers. I don't have to look at it. Come in here, Tory. There it is, Torient. And then OK. And then yeah. And then bam. And then this little thing pops up down here. Gotta click that. And then click that. And you gotta click apply. And you gotta click, do you want to overwrite? Yes. And you gotta click OK. And you click OK. And you click OK. And for whatever reason they make you go through all that crap. But now you should have it. Now let's try again. Copy. Bam. And then command. Bam, bam, bam. Ah, Slick Rick. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.